Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Pleased to meet you. My name is Muhammad Arif Rahmansyah. I am a postgraduate student majoring in Physics Education at Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. I am also one of many presenters in this great event. I am glad and thankful to the committee to give me this opportunity to share my research and finding about study of relationship between multiple intelligence and multi-representation to improve understanding in wave concept. Alright, now we move to introduction or background of this research. First, why choose wave as material? Waves are one of fundamental physics material that must understood by students. By understanding this concept, it will greatly assist students in studying other concepts in physics like sound, light, electromagnetic, optical, quantum mechanics, and other disciplines as spectroscopy, seismology, meteorology, engineering, and electronics. Several studies related to wave that have been done show that students have difficulty to learn wave material. Some says that it happened because wave is an abstract concept. Therefore, we need something to help teachers to deliver this material. Second, why choose multiple intelligence as focus? Because in Gartner books, he states that there is 8 types of intelligence. The 8 intelligence are verbal linguistic, logika mathematic, kinesthetic, spatial, musical, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalist. Optimization of multiple intelligence is considered capable of helping teaching physics. This is evidenced by research that has been done. It says that within a classroom that accommodates multiple intelligence is improved overall understanding. Therefore, multiple intelligence is an important factor in student learning. But how to implement multiple intelligence into classroom? This is related to the need to add multi-representation in this research. In this research, catalyst that is used is multi-representation. Multi-representation, which consists of various forms of image, diagram, words, graph, and equation. The application of learning using multi-representation has been proved in many studies. And with this application, I hope that various multi-representation can accommodate various multiple intelligence. But it raises a problem, because there is an absence of research that links between multiple intelligence and multiple representation. Therefore, the authors are interested in tackling this problem to become a research. Next, we move to experimental method. The research method used in this research is descriptive correlative. The variable in this study are the dominant multiple intelligence and multi-representation ability of the student. The study sample was taken randomly. The subject consisted of 146 students of grade 11 science in high school. This research was conducted online with the help of the teacher in the school. Retrieval data is conducted online and assisted by using Google Form application as medium for providing research instrument and WhatsApp to guide students when filling out and working on the instrument that have been given. In this study, 2 instruments were used. The first instrument is multiple intelligence test. This test consists of 80 items of statement, and then the student choose the response that best suits their personality. The second instrument was in the form of physics understanding test, which consists of 15 items wave material by using multi-representation. So they can measure the ability of students related to the ability of their multi-representation. Now, we are going to talk about result and discussion. Based on multiple intelligence tests that have been done, it is known that students have more than one type of intelligence. The results of the student multiple intelligence test has shown in the graph. Based on the graph, It can be seen that general students have good score in a type of intelligence that have been described. It can also be seen that a cumulative graph that most dominant type of multiple intelligence that have been labeled very good is found in interpersonal intelligence, with the number of students reaching 52 students. This is shown that the majority of the students who are tested will be able to understand learning material if learning is done in the presence of interaction with other students, discussion, collaboration, or experiments in groups. Concept understanding test was given to find out the level of student understanding and the ability of multi-representation of the student. The results can be seen in the upper graph. The average grade of the student concept understanding is 32.37. According to the scale described by Arikonto, it can be said that high school students as a whole have a poor level of understanding. Then, the results of concept understanding tests are analyzed on each item to find out the types of multi-representation that are difficult for students to work on. The results can be seen on the lower table. The highest percentage of correct answer is at number 2. In addition, there is a matter of which the percentage is 56.85, namely at number 5, where the multi-representation ability need is mathematical and verbal. Apart from these two items, other questions have very low percentage. The last is the relationship between multiple intelligence and multi-representation. This relationship can be obtained by looking at a student dominant intelligence and then connect to the student correct answer on the concept understanding test, which each question presents a different representation information. The results of the relationship between the two variables can be seen on the following table. In the table, can be seen that student who has linguistic intelligence can understand verbal representation best, and the student who have logic and mathematical intelligence can understand representation of mathematical equation best. Unfortunately, from the data, students with other dominant intelligence, majority of them, also best to understand concept from the use of mathematical and verbal representation. So, when we think about it, at least, the student with spatial intelligence as its dominant intelligence should have understand concept better from at least visual representation. This data was obtained because the ability of the student sample to understand concept in the form of other multi-representation was still low. This can be seen from the student answer to the question that are still mostly full into the question presented in the form of picture, graphs, and table. Based on the description of the result and the discussion that has been presented, it can be concluded that students have a variety of dominant intelligence. So, the teacher need to plan learning process in class, prepare teaching material, and evaluation that accommodate this multiple intelligence. Furthermore, the ability of multi-representation of students is still very low. This can be seen from the average grade that's still included in the category of low. The low average grade can also indicate the ability of students in field of physics, especially in the concept of wave, is still lacking. Finally, the relationship between multiple intelligence and multi-representation turns out that verbal and mathematical representation are the dominant one for all types of multiple intelligence. This is because the sample of students taken is still taught using these two representations, so the ability of students to use other representation is still lacking. Then, the suggestion from researcher is first to conduct further research to overcome the student low understanding in wave material. Furthermore, model, media, and teaching material are all needed to be able to accommodate multiple intelligence and improve student multi-representational ability. Finally, to get more perfect data about relationship between multiple intelligence and multiple representation, it needs a student sample that already have a good level understanding of multi-representation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.